Okay, so now what if one of the trigonometric function value is given? Okay, so let me show one example. So if sine theta equal to 12 over 13 and theta is in quadrant 2 here. Okay. Then we need to know what does this mean. Basically, this angle is located on quadrant 2 and sine theta will become 12 over 13 here. So this one, obviously we can draw one line somehow like that. Okay. And then, as I told you before, this one originally contained circle passing through this point here. But now, I'm not going to do the circle anymore. So I just assume you know that this is the part of that point on the circle already. Okay. Now from the triangle, if any theta is given here, then sine theta is defined as opposite over hypotenuse, right? Okay. Then I can draw one triangle like this. Then based on this angle theta, now this is the opposite and this is hypotenuse. Based on this value, we can define this is 13, this is 12. And the reason I indicate this triangle on the second quadrant because the theta is in second quadrant. That's the reason. Okay, then now using the Pythagorean theorem, and you can find this length here. Okay, this length. So let's find out. Since we don't know the adjacent length here, I'm going to put x and just say 13 square equal to 12 square plus x square. So 169 equal to 144 plus x square minus 144. Then x square equal to 25. Therefore x equal to 5 here. So now we have all the value, but this time be careful. This x must be negative 5 though, because it's on the second quadrant. Okay? So we know sine theta already, so cosine theta equal to negative 5 over 13. Tangent theta equal to 12 over negative 5. And cosecant theta equal to 13 over 12. Secant theta equal to 13 over negative 5. And cotangent theta equal to negative 5 over 12. That will be the sixth trigonometric function based on this given information. Okay, so then let's do one more. The previous one, when sine was given, what if cosecant is given? So cosecant theta equal to 7 over 2, something like that. And then the theta is in first quadrant this time. Okay, then you need to know what does this means. Cosecant means 1 over sine, so we always say this is the hypotenuse over opposite, right? So indicate some point right here. So if you draw this triangle, then this is 7 and this is 2 and this is theta. So based on this, you can find this length of x using the Pythagorean theorem. So 7 square equal to 2 square plus x square, then 49 equal to 4 plus x square minus 4, then x square equal to 45. So square root, then x equal to 3 root 5. So this length become 3 root 5 here. So now we know cosecant value, so we can find other 5 different trigonometric value as well. So sine theta means 2 over 7, cosine theta means 3 root 5 over 7, tangent theta equal to 2 over 3 root 5 over 2 root 5 over 9 or 15, and then secant theta equal to 7 over 3 root 5 over 7 root 5 over 15, and cotangent theta means 3 root 5 over 2. I didn't find cosecant because cosecant value already given here. Okay?